Hello, guys, and welcome to Microsoft Tech Insights, your go to channel for all things related to Microsoft. I am Sigar Dave, and in today's video, we are going to dive into the step by step guide about how we can get a notification whenever a new response is being added in the Microsoft list. So, this will help you to get notified whenever a new item is being added inside a Microsoft list itself. So let's jump right in. So as you can see right now, I am in my homepage of demo site and I'm going to click on this new button and then click on this list. I can start with blank list from existing list, Excel, CSV, or even I can use these templates, right? For this example, I am going to use from existing list. We can go with any other option. There is no issue into that, right? And let me choose, let's say in this particular one, I will choose this employee onboarding test and it will be created with employee onboarding test list. This is an existing list. And the next thing what we have to do is we have to click on this forms option. I have already covered this forms option in one of my earlier video and I will provide a link to that video in the description, right? And you can see on the top right corner somewhere, when I click on new form, I will have which are the available fields and the title for my form. Let's say I have to give it as new form. Okay. I can describe what this form is all about and then all the values are being added. The next thing which we want to check in this is under the settings. There is a toggle button for notify me. And when we hover onto that info icon, it says like when you will receive, a person will receive an email notification for every new response to this form. So whenever someone submit this form, we will get a notification. Let me go and enable this, right? And if you want to change the submit message when the form is submitted, we can add it from here. We already covered this in that video. Okay. And yeah, the preview is there. The changes has been saved. Okay. Okay. So let us just go and copy this link and paste it here. As you can see, we are in that new form and let me add the form values. Let's say this is taste or ipsum. Whatever we want to add, we can do it. Before joining, complete yes, completed on, let's say, tomorrow. Is mentor is, oops, I need to give a name as mentor as YGR admin if I want to add this. When I click on submit, as you can see, the form has been submitted, right? And if I want, I can add another response. And if I go into the Outlook for this now, let me go and open up the outlook.office.com/mail. And as you can see, I have created that form. So I will receive email. You have a new response for employee onboarding test. And when I click on this go to item, it will open up that test item with data, right? So let me try to do the same thing with another user. So let me just go and open it as guest in a guest profile. I need to log in. So let me just go and log in with one of my traced user and let me sign in. So when I sign in and now I'm adding user, now I'm adding the data as another user who has not created the form, right? I'm selecting the values, anything I can select right now. That's okay. This is just for the dummy purpose, right? And let's submit. So when I submit with another user, I should also receive an email in my Outlook. Okay, let's just wait for it to come. So as you can see, there is another mail. This is first one, this is second one. And I click on code item. I will see the data being filled in by that another user. Okay, so this is very handy when we want to track when any new response is being added into the Microsoft list, and we can also track it and check it from the mail itself. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.